Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm making Daal Gosht, and for that I'm taking goat mix, and with that chopped tomatoes, onions, cilantro, which means dhania, and Thai chili means green chili. And these are the herbs I'm going to use in the pressure cooker, which is zeera, haldi, cinnamon, black pepper and cloves. And this is chana dal, which I soaked in the water for around 2 hours. I'm making in pressure cooker. You can make without the pressure cooker. And in pressure cooker I will add goat mix and onion, haldi, zeera, black pepper, cinnamon, cloves. And then I will add water in it, around 4 glass of water. And then I'll put it on the stove on the high flame and close this lid tightly. Let it cook until 4 whistles and then turn off the flame and check the meat, and it should be half done. It should not be full done because we have to cook dal in it too. And now I'm adding oil, and I will cook with the oil. I put all the broth aside. I will add that broth later, and I'm just cooking the meat with the oil and add spices into it. This is the ginger garlic paste, which I frozen and I make cubes, so I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. And now I'm adding the spices, which is salt, 1 spoon of salt, and then 1 full spoon of red chili powder and 1 spoon of red crushed pepper. And I will add 2 full spoon of dhaniazeera powder. This is dhaniazeera powder. 2 spoon of curry powder. You can get this curry powder any grocery store where you get all the other spices. And I will cook these spices, with the meat for 6 to 7 minutes. After cooking with spices, I'm going to add tomatoes in it. I will mix it good, and then I will cook for another 4 to 5 minutes with the tomato. Now I am adding these green chilies, and I will mix it good. Cilantro, which means dhania, in Daal Gosht, and I will keep less than the half for garnishing, and I will cook it for a minute. And then I will add broth, means YAKHNI of goat, which is around 3 glass. This is the broth, and I'm gonna add in the Daal Gosht. I will mix it good, and I will cook it on high flame, and I will close the pressure cooker tightly. Make sure it's closed tightly, and then I will give around 2 more whistles. Remember, I gave 4 whistles for the goat first, and then now I give 2 whistles for Daal Gosht together. And I add cilantro and garam masala on the top at the end, and I will keep the lid, and I will keep it cooking for like around 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes on the low flame, so the oil can come up and it will cook nicely. It will be a little thicker. I cooked fresh chapati with Daal Gosht. You can eat with rice as well, or eat with the chapati. And there you go. My Daal Gosht is now ready. like my video, and thank you so much for watching.